Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demo for you a feature in the Twitter automation software that can automatically like posts on Twitter. This is my Twitter software. Now I will go into Twitter and copy the URL of a post. For example, this one only has one like. Then I'll go back to the software and choose Function Marketing, and then you can see the seeding tweet. You put the link in. There are a few other options for you to choose, like you can comment to the post if you want, can add hashtag or tag someone, but right now, I'm just going to demo for you like the like tweets. Then select the accounts you use for liking tweets. Then click on star to let the software run automatically. The software is going to open each small window right here. Each small window represents a separate Twitter account. After that, the bot will go straight to the post and start increasing the likes. Alright, I think this is the end of today's video. If you have any questions or want to install the software, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you, and see you again. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel to support me.